Flood control scandal wipes out 1.7 trillion pesos in Philippine stocks in just 3 weeks. Securities and Exchange Commission chief warns of confidence crisis.
So, this is a slap on the face of, sino ba yung tao na nasa Malacanang? Anong tawag mo dyan?
Of the president.
Siya.
Pangulo.
Ah,
Ano bang term mo last time?
yung term ni Duterte, bangag.
Oh. Si Bangag, sabi ni Paring Ido, sampal sa mukha mo yan, galing sa sarili mong appointee na chairman ng Securities and Exchange Commission. Wala nang tiwala ang taong bayan sa bansa natin. Walang mga foreign direct investments na pumupunta. Natatakot ang mga investors. Dahil sa sobra-sobrang flood control anomalies. But actually, yung flood control pare is just in the surface. Hindi lang flood control, mga bridges, mga
Lahat, infrastructure.
infrastructure,
Pati
diba?
education, school buildings.
Lahat.
School buildings.
Agriculture.